Here's your 60-second script. Struggling to solve differential equations by hand? One wrong step and your entire solution falls apart. That's exactly why this calculator exists. The Laplace Transform Interactive Calculator instantly converts time domain functions into the S-domain, saving you hours of manual computation. Just enter your function, specify your variable, and hit calculate. Here's a quick example. Say you're working with f of t equals e to the power of negative 3t. Plug that in, and the calculator immediately returns 1 over the quantity s plus 3, valid for s greater than negative 3. It even shows you the step-by-step derivation so you actually understand the process. Whether you're an engineering student tackling circuit analysis or a mathematician exploring control systems, this tool handles everything from simple exponentials to complex piecewise functions. Stop second-guessing your transforms. Use the free Laplace Transform Calculator link below and solve smarter today. Word count 38.